today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cheesy cheese sauce. There's no flour in it, it's without flour, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions and loads of variations and uses for this lovely cheese sauce without flour, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Get out a saucepan and pop a quarter of a cup of your milk and a quarter of a cup of sour cream. You could use cream if you want to instead. I just really like the creaminess and almost tanginess that the sour cream brings. Okay, and give it a little stir. Now you can use a quarter of a cup if you're just making a small portion, quarter of a cup of each. If you're making a larger portion for like a mac and cheese, then go for half a cup of each. And now we're just going to bring that up to the boil. So place it over heat, and the heat will just melt in the sour cream, and it really barely takes a minute to come up to boil, and as soon as it does we'll add a quarter of a cup of cheese. So have that handy and ready to go. You can see it's barely been a minute, it's already thickening up. I find that just these two ingredients is kind of a cheat's way of making a really easy white sauce, cheese sauce. Now that it's bubbling, add in a quarter of a cup of cheese and we'll let that melt in. Difficult to see, but once you've got that quarter of a cup melted in, add another quarter and then just mix it until it's all melted in and you have a lovely cheesy sauce. And I've actually just taken it off the heat, mixing a smidge more cheese through it. Oh, look at that beautiful cheesy sauce. Wow! Now this is just beautiful to enjoy with broccoli, or you can use it as mac and cheese, or you could use it with cauliflower or any other way you enjoy having a lovely cheese sauce. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this cheese sauce a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!